Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiza Sheikh and you are watching the Faiza's learning class about the new topic पाकिस्तान स्टडी। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी पाकिस्तान की कुछ हिस्ट्री के बारे में। बेसिकली ये बुक मेरे पास थी और मैं इससे प्रिपरेशन भी करवाती हूँ अपने स्टूडेंट्स की। तो इस बुक का नाम है फर्स्ट स्टेप इन आवर हिस्ट्री। बुक 1 है और हम कोशिश करेंगे इसके तमाम टॉपिक्स को जो हैं वो कंप्लीट करें। हमें अपनी हिस्ट्री के बारे में भी जो है वो एक फ़ाइन नॉलेज मिले और ये तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव वीडियो होगी जो अप्लाई जिन लोगों ने कमीशन के लिए अप्लाई किया हुआ है। तो हम इसका आज फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो है वो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 1, दिस लैंड ऑफ आर्स आ कंट्री विद अ ग्रेट पास्ट। ठीक है, आर पाकिस्तान इज़ अ ट्रूली ग्रेट कंट्री। इफ़ यू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम कराची टू Peshawar, the journey is very exciting. From the sea coast of Karachi is the train takes you past the desert of Sindh. This desert is fast turning into the great fertile land by the full use of water of the river Indus and efforts of the simple land's owner. You then pass through the land of the Indus and its sisters river. This is the Punjab. Here you find smiling fields of the cotton and wheat and other food crops. Beside there are hundreds of cotton, sugar and oil mills and iron works. As you continue the journey across the Indus, you travel through a part of the land that is getting gradually more and more hilly, till you reach one of the two important caves in the high mountains called the Himalaya. The cave which opens out into the Peshawar Valley is the great history Khyber Pass. The history of Pakistan is in fact and all as the Khyber Pass. Balochistan is another very large province that is now fast developing into a promising region of Pakistan. The first people who lived in the rich plains now are Pakistan were very known to Dravidians. They were tilled land and grew corn, but as the climate was good and food was plentiful, they became rather lazy and timid. Across the Himalayas in the far north beyond Afghanistan, there lived another people called the Aryans. They were strong and hardy. They came down through the Sawat Valley in the frontier province. They drove the Dravidians out of their homeland and occupied it. Long after the Aryans had battled and settled down in the what is now Pakistan, the Greeks from far off in the west came down through the Khyber Pass under Alexander the Great, but they soon went back because they found our summers too hot for them. We can still find many lovely things they had left behind, collected from the 1,000-year-old ruins at Taxila. 400 of years after Alexander the Great had gone back, our land was either ruled by the strong kings or else it broke up into small states. Some of the strong kings brought under them the whole of the what is Pakistan as well as a large part of the neighboring country Bharat. At other times, the country was broken up into petty states with no one rule strong enough to hold the whole region. The history of religion beyond the Himalayas also witnessed many changes during these centuries. In the course of time, the people across the Khyber. Turn the page right now. Khyber Pass became Muslim, then in waves they marched into the Hindustan and spread themselves first in the what is now Pakistan and then over parts of Bharat as far as Bangladesh. In the east, the Arab, the Ghaznavi, the Ghoris, the Khaljis, and the Tughlaq, the Sayyid, the Lodhis are the families, the Mughal. All the came one after another from the west and north and settled in the subcontinent. Many of us are the descendants of the youths, these peoples and carry the names of these great pioneers as part of our own names. For over 1,000 years, these kingdoms rose and fell with time. This process, of course, made the people of Hindustan weak and lazy. The natural wealth of Hindustan, however, kept tempting the peoples from far and wide. Across the sea in the west, there lived another peoples in the small land. They called themselves English because they belonged to the England in the Europe. They built ships in which they traveled for the trade with other countries. They came for trade to the Indo-Pakistan subcontinent. But when they found that there was no one strong ruler to check them, these clever and crafty traders turned greedy. Later, the cunning made themselves master of this continent. For over 150 years, these Englishmen ruled over. For over 150 years, these Englishmen ruled over us. Then we woke from the slumber and struggled to recover our freedom. The English masters finally agreed to divide this subcontinent. On August 14, 1947, therefore, Pakistan and Bharat came into being. In Pakistan, we are once again the freed and independent nation. Our great leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah had fought for us. Hindustan doubted wisdom and perseverance finally got our dear Pakistan. We always recall his good name with pride and respect. Pakistan, land of the pure, is a country with a great past and bright future. It is like a beautiful carpet, rich in design and color. Most of the people here are Muslims, but mainly Hindus. Buddhism, Christian, and Parsis also live in Pakistan. They are a holy trust with the Pakistan government. In these books, you will read these stories of those great heroes and heroines in whom we talk about the pride we are today, what they had tried to make us. तो ये चैप्टर था फर्स्ट हाउ Dravidians came into पाकिस्तान, व्हाट इज़ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैम. तो इनकी क्या हिस्ट्री थी. तो वन बाय वन जो है चैप्टर वाइज ये शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ हैं, नॉवेल्स, शॉर्ट नॉवेल्स हैं, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. आपको हिस्ट्री के बारे में भी पता चलता जाएगा. पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री क्या है, किस तरह ड्राविडियंस आए थे, किस तरह जो है आगे जो है हमारा पाकिस्तान में किस तरह फैलते गए और भारत में किस तरह सब कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर जो है ना ये स्प्रेड आउट हुए और फिर किस तरह अलग अलग स्टेट्स में जो हैं वो डिवाइड हो गए. तो आप लोग पाकिस्तान स्टडी के हवाले से जो हिस्ट्री की मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा डीपली स्टडी करना चाहते हैं तो वो लोग मेरी वीडियो को लाइक भी करें, सब्सक्राइब भी करें और चैनल को लाइक करना नहीं भूलिएगा. मुझे कमेंट्स के ज़रिए ज़रूर बताइएगा कि दिस लैंड ऑफ आर्स अ कंट्री विद अ ग्रेट पास्ट आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी. इजाज़त दीजिए, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.